Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we have Ed's 1956 Ford F100. This truck is a really cool story. It was started by Fat Jack Robinson in California, famous hot rod builder, had a lot of stuff on the cover of Hot Rod, specialized in the fat-bodied Fords. Ed's really good friend was building this truck with Fat Jack. Unfortunately, Fat Jack passed away and the truck sat for a few years. Fast forward, Ed purchased the truck from his customer, and we've got the opportunity to finish it off. We're going to incorporate all of Fat Jack's styling and a little bit of our own, and we think it should be a really cool over-the-top build. Last but not least, our plan is to debut the truck at the Grand National Roadster Show, which is exciting for us. We love the show. I think the truck's going to fit in perfectly. Anyway, stay tuned, like, subscribe, follow, and watch the build as it progresses.
Just doing some finish welding on the frame here on these mods. We had it all tacked up, so now we're going back and doing some finish welding. Moving some stuff around for the pan hard bar. Since we changed the rear end, we got to change this bar. I'm not mounting it up here and figuring out a bracket for this.
Yeah. I mean, if you're up here, you're no higher than this, and then you've got room for exhaust to come through.
Further this way to more room for the exhaust to bend up through.
Right.
There.
I think I would do that. And then build
Just that bracket's gonna, it just seems like it's gonna be tall, but I mean, it'll be all right.
Yeah.
I mean, you could go, forward and around.
Right.
Grab
Get something, yeah, and then if you tie into that spot up there or something, just to give it so it can't rock and bend.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now, I don't know if we want to change these to like a Heim deal. I don't know why he's got this like that. Well, I think this is a store-bought sway bar that
yeah.
cut up or cut on. Yeah. Then we can weld a tab on here and just do a Heimlich.
Yeah.
So what's the deal with this truck? It was a partially built Fat Jack truck, is that right?
Yeah. Yeah, I got started and then I think he passed and so the truck sat, you know.
Okay.
So then we got it and changed up some stuff and tried to keep some of it, you know, it was his.
Keep it kind of
Keep the, I mean, keep the style there, but still put our spin on it, you know.
Yeah. So this was just an old build that was sitting at his shop after he passed?
Yeah. Well, I think it was Ed. It was one of Ed's friends
Okay.
that was either having it built or whatever. Somehow he was in, or somebody he knew. So when he passed and it wasn't done, I don't know if the project got put aside before he passed or after. You know what I mean? And then Ed found out about it and decided he wanted it. So.
He already has a Fat Jack.
Yeah, we got the yellow one, yeah. So I got two.
Now he's got two.
Yep. How you doing? How you doing? Yeah, what an asshole.
Scott's an asshole.
Yeah,
We all know it.
I all knew that.
He's our asshole now.
He's our asshole. The next thing.
And all that's somebody.
Oh. Yeah, we got all of our brackets mocked up on here where we need them, so now so we pull the rear end out so we can finally weld it all up. Makes it a lot easier to do when it's out of the truck. We get her welded up. Mind your own business.
Hey, it's a real shop. They ain't gonna be totally quiet.
Right.
So we just recently got this Iceworks kit in to be able to mock up some headers, and these primaries on this motor are a little big for what we're using, but end up making them working out. But basically mocking them up out of these blocks to get a visual of how the header's got to get built to essentially make it easier to build. Kind of visualize what you got, visualize how everything's going to route, just in case you got to change any ways that it routes for steering shafts or starters or whatever the case is. So basically I'm mocking it up out of these green blocks here and seeing how it's going to turn out. Got it all mocked up, so now we're going to take it out. I'm going to take all these primaries off the flange, weld it up, and then after that they want them polished, so we're going to take all these primaries, send them out to the polisher after the other side's done, put them back on, weld them up, and then get it finished, polished, and then collectors and headers and all that stuff will be done. Getting out these party welds.
Thanks for watching. If you want to see more build videos like this, help us out by liking, commenting, and subscribing to our channel. And it's a little thing to do, but don't forget to turn on those notifications. If you want to buy merch, go to store.classiccarstudio.com. See you next time.